One thing I'd like to say is that in 1958, Minnesota Centennial, at their parade, I did collect a wooden nickel, and I still have it. I don't know if you folks make wooden nickels, but...
It might be one day.
Wooden pennies.
So I'm an old coin collector from way back. I still have some steelhead pennies and Indian head pennies I collected in the early 50s. It's kind of nice to be able to be here and meet with you folks over a coin or a Code Talker medal. This medal was made in honor of a fellow by the name of Lex Porter. He was a Fond du Lac band member, grew up on the Fond du Lac reservation, and he moved to a reservation north of us, raised his family, and came back and lived again on Fond du Lac for his last years. Mr. Porter was a close friend of mine, and his sons are some of my best friends, and he never ever mentioned, even to his family, that he was a code talker. So that was something that he did keep in his heart, and his family was even surprised when the honoring for the code talkers came up. So there were other code talkers. Most people know the Navajo code talkers, but there were quite a few other tribes that did it also. And the Fond du Lac Reservation had me be the person to be the point man for you folks on this Code Talker medal. We picked a couple designs on the back. We have our tribal reservation logo, and on the front there's some work by the artists here. And we had a committee and a group of elders who we reviewed these designs with, and you have our recommendations there. And so thank you for inviting Fond du Lac Reservation to come and be part of this planning session. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now we'll look at the